Okay, we're going to remove these two screws. There's one here, one on the other side. Okay, and then this one. That'll give us access to the back side of the instrument cluster. You remove the multi-pin connector, simply like that. Then open the clamshell. There's 3 tabs. Carefully depress the one side. There's a little finger that holds those in place. And oftentimes you can do that without using a screwdriver. It's a little cool this morning, so a little tougher. But those just open up like that. Got this. On this machine, it does have a pin in the existing slot number 8. We need to remove that before we install the Ryco pin for the turn signal indicator. On the ends of each side here, there's just a little tab. You just push down on that slightly and that'll release there. Same on the other side. Little tab there. Depress, then this comes off. And now it's pin number 8. That's, in this case it's a yellow, sometimes they're brown. And all you have to do is take a fingernail and get behind that little lock right there, and then push the pin down. And pull it out. It's as simple as that. And then I like to tuck the pin back in here. It goes nowhere. I just do that to get it out of the way. Tuck it back under. And then when you install the ICD, it basically goes back in. You have to remove this cover when you're installing these, and the new pin will go in, and you can hear it snap, feel it snap into place, and then make sure they're all at the same alignment, and you're ready to go. Then when you put the cover back on, there's a key here, and that corresponds with the key out there. You can't put it on backwards. That snaps into place. Then the clamshell goes back together, 3 tabs, and then that plugs back into the back side of the instrument cluster, and reinstall the cover, put the screws in, you're done.